Hello, meet Beata and Darek, a couple who against all odds retired, bought a catamaran and said, let's have some fun in our golden years. Now we are sailing around the world, laughing and sometimes crying along the way. Welcome to the New Wave Adventure. No halo, witamy naszych gości. Już jesteśmy po pierwszych drinkach. Mamy gości, pierwszy dzień. Ponoć się podoba na razie. Miejmy nadzieję, że nas stay that way. Have a good time, guys. Welcome on New Wave.
We love it.
Time to welcome our next wave of friends. Sure, we promised them sunsets and cocktails on the beach, but surprise, we put them right the next day to work. Our amazing friends smuggle in the parts for our fridge all the way from Toronto, because ordering them in San Martin, forget it, takes forever. Like we always say, it's Caribbean time. Nobody is in a rush.
Prace trwają. Supervising tutaj pracownika. Jego occupation is odmrażacz. Tu następny pracownik. Tu szuflady. Prace trwają. Ten jest occupation dłubacz. Dłubacz doskonały. Zobaczymy finałowy rezultat później.
We took a quick break at Simpson Bay Beach, and just in time, after 3 weeks of waiting, our new anchor and 250 feet of shiny chain finally arrived. Thank goodness for Robert and Darek. They did the heavy lifting while we were just supervising with style. Our anchor. We got the new one, which is 2 sizes bigger than the one we got, which is needed definitely when we want to circumnavigate the world with our safety. Need to get rid of the old chain and get the old anchor
ale
out.
kotwicę tam trzeba będzie robić. Kotwicę rzucić do wody.
We'll see how they're gonna do it. It is confusing.
Okej, to jest ten. Teraz...
Anchor is coming out. We need like a full crew.
Can you? Yes?
Jeszcze troszeczkę.
Alright. The anchor, little itsy bitsy anchor is down, out. The chain is gonna get replaced as well. Attached, and they're gonna measure the chain. And put the zip ties. Every 10 meters, 20 meters, 50 meters, every 25 feet. Is coming in. There is a really good method of doing it. New chain is coming. It's gonna get attached to the winch.
Załóż go na knagę już.
The next day, after all the hard work, Robert definitely needed some physiotherapy for his back. Luckily, a little new wave magic did the job.
Fizjoterapii na New Wave.
Po ciężkich pracach.
Physiotherapist is Captain Darek. The patient is Robert. He's like a new now. I drink for that.
Yeah. Cheers, Robert.
I love you.
It was finally time to start vacationing. They were here only for a very short time, so we made the most of it. We were celebrating St. Patrick's Day in a grand case. We were also exploring marinas around the Marigot Bay, even checking out the ones still bearing the scars from Hurricane Irma in 2017. Nightlife in Grand Case. St. Martin never sleeps. Tuesday night, regular day. St. Martin at night is full of live music and boats glowing under the stars. Hard to believe that just a few years ago, when Hurricane Irma hit in 2017, this vibrant place was dark and silent. Now it's shiny again, just like before. In September 2017, Hurricane Irma, one of the most powerful storms ever recorded in the Atlantic, tore through St. Martin with winds reaching up to 185 miles per hour. The eye of the storm passed directly over the island, leaving behind a trail of destruction, as you can see. Simpson Lagoon, once a peaceful haven for sailors, became a graveyard. Hundreds of boats were smashed, sunk, or thrown ashore like toys. Marinas were ripped apart, docks disappeared, and wreckages still lingering in the water today as a haunting reminder of Irma's fury. It's hard to see that. But, the good thing is that St. Martin is picking up there and it's gonna be beautiful again. We were in Lagoon Marina, where the damage from Hurricane Irma is still visible, as you can see. Some people are actually living in the wrecks of the old boats, probably with nowhere else to go. It's a different side of St. Martin. Behind the fancy yachts, there is a quiet story of resistance and survival. We were actually in St. Martin back in 2017, dining and wining at the cozy restaurants around this very marina. It is heartbreaking to see many of them still destroyed. Not everyone had a means to rebuild. It's a sad reminder that while the island shines again, not all stories have had a happy ending. Next episode, we are off to explore fancy sandbars with our friends. Beautiful beaches, chic boutiques, and maybe we will even pretend we belong there, at least until the wine runs out. Come along for the ride.